So, like they often say, a child's mind is like wet cement. So, whatever you keep on it, the impression will last for a very long time. The personality that they develop all depend on the fundamental education or the environment that we provide at that age.
How Anadi's Bala Gurukulam is any different from the modern European school?
If you look at the Indian tradition, we have had Adi Shankara, Swami Vivekananda, the Sant tradition, Maharashtra. So there are so many role models in our Bharatiya tradition. At a very young age, a lot of excellent brilliance can actually be shown. No need to stop with just the basics. So, but when the child grows up in a Gurukulam, is exposed to Indic knowledge systems right from the preschool stage, they learn about life. They grow up to be a better child, better citizen of the society, better professional. So, giving more opportunities or living in places where there is an opportunity for the child to play is a very important thing. The main issue that is happening today is that parents are not able to spend enough time with the children, engaging in the world of the children. But when the parent engages in the world of the child, then there is a lot of very strong bonding that forms. Many countries have started now looking at solutions which are rooted in their own traditions, their own indigenous solutions. That way, it is time that people who live in Bharat, they wake up to the solutions that are available in our tradition and culture to solve some of these problems. So when you are a harmonious parent who enjoys life, automatically you raise a child that enjoys life. So first work on yourself.